What's going on, guys? Joe G here. Thanks for stopping by the channel today. We are back with another demo. We're gonna have Criss from Winda Fireworks, and this demo is being sponsored by our friends at Liberty Fireworks. Make sure you stop by Liberty Fireworks for all your firework needs this upcoming New Year's season. All right, guys, so let's take a look at this cake. Now, if you saw my previous video, I did tell you that we don't use many 200-gram cakes in the shows, but Criss is one that we use. We usually line these up and they form that really cool cross pattern in the sky. All right, so let's take a look at the performance. Very bright red, purple, yellow, and green crossettes, nice color and special effects. It is a good 200-gram cake, guys. If you're looking for a nice one on the budget-friendly side as well, this would be it. Thing is, it doesn't weigh much, but it is a great cake, trust me. And let's take a look at some of the effects there. Also scan it with your smartphone. All right, guys, let's go check it out.